Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Honor Wreath. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, is at the belt line as usual. We're going to come over, we're just going to put in a fold it in half, bring it over to the center, and we're going to come up and we're going to come over like this. We're going to come back this way, leave it folded like this. We're going to bring it up like that, and then I'm going to come underneath it. I'm going to come around. Come up and over across this right here, across this piece, and then gonna come down. It didn't do a wreath, as much of a wreath as I wanted it to. Here you have it. So over here, and this is where this is what I have so far. So over here, it's gonna be straight like this. I'm just gonna fold it like this. Technique that Boris Mocha has used a lot. So then I'm gonna come around here and I'm gonna twist it again like this. And then I'm going to twist it like this. And you'll see a kind of a space there. My finger's kind of creating a space. Then bring it up and under. There you have it. So own your own style, my friends. You're fearlessly wonderfully made, and we'll catch you in the next video.